Let's make Snickerdoodles. Add 3/4 of a cup of sugar to 8 tablespoons of softened butter and stir until thoroughly mixed. Add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. After mixing, add 1 3/8 cup of flour. Mix this together, then add a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once this is completely mixed, you want to cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Prepare your cinnamon sugar mixture with a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 1/2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Scoop a spoonful of dough and rub it into a sphere in your hands. Roll that sphere in your cinnamon sugar mixture until it's completely coated. This batch should make about 16 cookies. You'll want to take a spoon and press down on the top of each of the cookies to make sure they cook evenly. Coat each cookie in an additional layer of cinnamon sugar and bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove those cookies from the oven and enjoy the best Snickerdoodles you've ever had in your entire life.